Do you know the importance of rest for language learning? ئایا گرنگی استراحت بۆ فێربوونی زمان دەزانیت؟ Your brain uses rest time to process and remember what you have learned. If you don't give it time to process, it won't be able to remember as well the things that you have learned. Here's what I recommend. After 90 minutes of studying English, take a long break before you do any more English study that day. Most human brains get cloudy and less efficient after 90 minutes of focused learning. Then take one day every week where you don't study any English. After 6 or 8 weeks, take an entire week where you do no English study. And every year, take a whole month away from any formal or focused study of English. This kind of rest might feel like you are losing time, but actually you are helping your brain to truly remember and keep what you have worked so hard to learn.